Here's how you find your national insurance number in the UK. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So you want to go to the official government website www.gov.uk/find-national-insurance-number. I'll put a link in the description, so you just have to click it. Now there's two methods that we're going to go through. First of all, if you already have a personal tax account with HMRC, you can simply scroll down, click Start Now, log in, and once you've logged in, you will see your national insurance number. So what about if you don't have a personal tax account? Well, you can scroll down to the bottom of this resource and you have two options. You can either fill in a form online, print it off and mail it to HMRC, and they will then respond with your national insurance number with a return message, or you can phone up HMRC to get a letter sent to your house containing your national insurance number. So if we click on Contact HMRC and then we scroll down, we can see the phone section here. And if we look under Class 1, 2 and 3 National Insurance Inquiries, we can see that the bottom bullet point is inquiries about your national insurance number. So you can phone this number here, 0300 200 3500. Bearing in mind, this is the only number you should phone. Don't phone up random numbers from messages and texts. Phone this one from the gov.uk website. And then you can discuss your query with them and they will hopefully get back to you and mail out your national insurance number.